So Clarusway teaches you how to learn new things, and during all your professional years, you continue with the knowledge and you continue learning new things. Hello, my name is Kemal. I'm a cloud engineer. I graduated from Clarusway in August 2021. I didn't have any real experience in IT area. It was an amazing chance for me, I can say. In first 3 months, we had fundamental courses for everybody like who is not familiar in this enormous IT sector. After that, during the 6 months, we have learned many tools about AWS and DevOps. After completed the 9 months, I have collected two AWS certificates and they helped me a lot to get the job. After graduation, I started the internship in a company. Like a few months, I have continued, and but during this process, the career management system was helping me a lot to get the correct job. Then finally, after internship, I found a dream job for me as a cloud engineer in a company. So almost 1 year I'm working with that. And when I started in the company, I have seen that whatever I have learned in Clarusway, similar things I have seen in the real environment. The teachers, the instructors in the Clarusway they were amazing and helpful, and they were knowledgeable, I can say. My cohort team was also perfect. We were doing weekly teamworks together, and when we come to the end of this journey, to hear everybody in the team getting a job, it was really giving you energy. And when you find a job like other your mates, it was really amazing feeling. I really can advise everybody Clarusway because they are professional, they are helpful, and they care you. And the materials of the courses, all of them, they were really professional, engaged, and related to the courses what you need to learn. And I can say the maybe very important point what Clarusway gave me, it was learning how to learn new things. So Clarusway teaches you how to learn new things, and during all your professional years, you continue with the knowledge and you continue learning new things. Thank you, Clarusway. I really advise everybody to join this journey, and finally, everybody will get their dream jobs.